Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to speed up load times and reduce lag in video editing apps like CapCut. First, go to settings and then search for storage and then look for CapCut and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, make sure your phone has enough storage. Keep at least 5 to 10 GB free so editing apps can process video smoothly. Inside the app, lower your preview resolution. In CapCut, tap settings icon and then look for in the project and set preview to a lower quality. This makes editing faster while keep export quality high. Close background apps before editing. Swipe them away so all memory is free for your video editor. Safety tip: only install CapCut or some other apps like that from the official Play Store. Modded APKs often cause crashes or malware. Quick fix: if nothing works, export your video in smaller parts, then combine them into one final video. This reduces pressure on your phone's processor and memory. Subscribe for quick fixes.